Welcome to the Unbox Hub. Introducing the all-new ECOVACS Deebot T30e Omni, the ultimate 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, built for spotless living. With hurricane suction power up to 25,000 Pascal and ZeroTangle 3.0, say goodbye to hair wraps and hello to effortless cleaning. Its advanced anti-tangle brushes keep pet hair and long strands from clogging, ensuring smooth performance every time. The upgraded Osmo Turbo 2.0 mopping system scrubs away stubborn stains at 135 revolutions per minute, while the 9mm Auto Lift Mop keeps carpets perfectly dry. Meet the Omni Station, your hands-free cleaning partner. It auto-empties, washes, dries, and self-cleans, so your Deebot is always ready for the next powered by TrueMapping 2.0. It plans the most efficient path and precisely avoids everyday obstacles from books to furniture for uninterrupted cleaning. With 20mm threshold climbing, anti-drop sensors, and a 5,200 mAh battery, the T30e Omni cleans your entire home for up to 300 minutes on a single charge. Control every detail with the ECOVACS Home App, from suction levels and water flow to multi-floor maps and scheduled cleaning. Compatible with Dynamic Island, Apple Watch, and more cleaning, has never been this intuitive. The future of cleaning is here. ECOVACS Deebot T30e Omni is smarter, stronger, and truly self-reliant. Clean smarter, live better. Thank you so much for watching video. Please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon to watch such videos.